Hey everyone, welcome back to another week of Live Well Jamaica Gimme Five Top 5 Stories. I'm your girl KayAnn, and I hope you've been having a wonderful week. I know I have. Okay, so before we get started with these top 5 stories this week, remember to give us a like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Okay, guys? Turn it on. So, what to expect for this week's top 5 stories? We have what's wrong with seeking bumbleclad therapy, medical marvel for tormented minds. Ryan sets an example for Jamaican men afraid of visiting the doctor. Sandals reunion, week a boom for Jamaica's tourism. And dash for the stigma and seek bumbleclad therapy. So let's jump into our first story for this week, guys. What's wrong with seeking bumbleclad therapy by Zelene French? French speaks on the so-called male machoism that is expected of Jamaican men. This machoism influences their belief that they don't need to seek therapy when they encounter a traumatic event. Men, is this true? If it is, or if you disagree, comment, drop a comment, guys, and let us know, okay? Also, head over to our blog, livevilljamaica.com, to read the full story. Number 2 on our list is Medical Marvel for Tormented Minds by Abigail Gordon. Therapy helps give an individual a new perspective. Abigail went on to explain that our mental health directly affects our physical health. I agree. I think so because when I'm not mentally fit, oh my, I'm always tired. I want to sleep. I'm not in the right frame of mind. She also went on to tell us some things that we can do to, maybe improve our mental health. So head on over to our blog to read the full story, okay? Next on this week is Ryan sets an example for Jamaican men afraid of visiting the doctor by Sade All. Ryan, at 21 years old, battling with thin basement membrane disease, shares why he believes Jamaican men aren't necessarily fearful of a doctor's visit. Is that true? I always thought Jamaican men were scared of going to the doctor, or our culture says, hey, men shouldn't go to the doctor. That would make them seem weak. Well, men, if you agree with Ryan, you know what to do. Let us know in the comment section, okay? Number 4 for this week is Sandals Reunion Week, a boom for Jamaica's tourism by admin. Sandals resorts showcase their appreciation to those who vacationed at each resort. This is the Caribbean's only annual event of this kind held by an all-inclusive resort. And guess what? They were practicing social distancing. They had all their pandemic protocols up. They were sanitizing. They had their mask and enjoying themselves. Who said you can't enjoy yourself in a pandemic while following the rules? Number 5 for this week is Dash for the Stigma and Seek Bumbleclad Therapy by Sashore Nichols. Nichols speaks about the reason males do not seek therapy. She also stated that a lot of perspectives stem from socialization and that emotional wealth is not appreciated and applauded for men. I wonder, is this true? Well. It seems like I'm targeting the men this week. So, men, you know what to do. Jump in the comments and let us know what you think about this piece. Let us know if it's actually true. We want to hear your feedback. We want to know your experience, your story. So that's it for this week, guys. So before we go, though, remember, subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment and share some love on these stories on our blog over at Live Well Jamaica. I hope you enjoy your weekend, guys. So live, love, and laugh. Bye.